A letter to Papa. Harmony is the strength and support of all institutions. Trust, mutual respect, and alignment toward the common goal act as the mortar holding a business together. Without them, even the strongest structure cannot bear its own weight. Company can have the best technology and unlimited resources, but if teams are divided by internal politics or clashing egos, progress stalls. True harmony is what fosters collaboration that drives real innovation. You and Tita Malu poured 26 years of love, sweat, and hard work into building Queen Cakes, shaping into its strong institution it is today. You built it on foundation of resilience, financial discipline, and unwavering commitment to quality. Following Tita Malu's passing, Queen Cake stands at a critical crossroads. Addressing our organizational structure and establishing clear leadership succession are now vital for the survival and growth of the business. I know this transition is putting an immense amount of stress on us, both as a family and as an organization. Because of that, Papa, please know that your happiness and peace of mind come before anything else. Whatever path you choose to take, I want you to be at peace, and I support you completely. It is because I care so deeply that I have been reflecting on the heavy challenges Queen Cakes is currently facing. Competing against giant brands like Goldilocks, Jollibee, Mang Inasal, and the upcoming competition with Red Ribbon, McDonald's, and the new mall developments, and managing our financial responsibilities from loans, company loan, to the employee retirement and the regularizations requires an incredibly disciplined and unified approach. After weeks of deep reflection, I know that in my heart that I want to return and help Queen Cakes. I am offering my support genuinely out of love for you and care for our family legacy, not for personal financial gain. To show you how serious I am about this commitment and to ensure my focus is entirely on our shared goals, I am prepared to close down my operations of Beredery in Infanta. Again, I am prepared to close my operations of Beredery in Infanta. Ultimately, I am confident that by working together and staying true to the values you and Tita Malu establish, we can overcome these hurdles and ensure a prosperous future for Queen Cakes. Most importantly, I believe this transition will benefit us all on a deep personal level. By working as a united team, we can create the stability needed to ensure more quality time for our individual families, more rest and less worries for you, and a better all quality of life for everyone. I believe that by pooling our strengths, we will create not just a more successful business, but a stronger and more connected family. With love and respect,